Adjust a mirror. You want to look straight ahead, adjust a mirror. Then I'm going to push the button, it turns on the other mirror. These are electric mirrors, and I want to look straight ahead. So now when I'm driving, I can see my left, I can see my right, and then I can frame the rear window. So when you're driving, you're very efficient. You can just simply check. You can keep your eyes on the road. It's just a quick glance. You always want to see what's in front of you. And that's really important. You got to be going through this process all the time. Your coach, your teacher should be taking you through this. I'm going to roll down the driveway. I'm going to turn on my left turn signal. And we're going to go down the driveway. And I'm turning it real easy and slow. I'm going to turn back out. And I want to accelerate out. You want to look immediately down the end of the block. There are 4 or 5 cars on my right, 4 or 5 cars on my left. There's a black car at the end. It's really important that you have everything properly adjusted. So when you're driving, you can be efficient. You can move hands. You can use your blinker. Down is for a left. Up is for a right. You have to be efficient as possible. And in this case, I'm coming up to a stop sign. So I'm going to go ahead and squeeze my brake. Then I'm going to stop and show all of you. Okay, there's my stop sign. So I'm going to look left and right. This car does have auto start, so I'm going to look left and right. It's clear. I'm going to make my left turn, and I'm going to turn out. I'm watching for cars, I'm watching for people. That truck should stop. I have the right of way. I said should stop. You never know. Don't assume. Then I'm going to go ahead and squeeze my brake, and I want to have a complete stop. That's minimum 3 seconds. 1001, 1002, 1003. Okay, I'm making a left. I look where I want to go. Go into your turn really easy. 100 feet or half a block, we're going to be making a right turn. So I turn my blinker on. And I want to be under 20 miles an hour. I'm at about 16, 12. Then I turn, and then I turn out. That was a pretty good turnout. We're going to be practicing going on the freeway, getting off, going back on. So you're going to get a chance to see what you need to do. Okay, we want to start